Hi, Pam and Vivian. This is one thing that I want you to do when you have a student submit their introductory letter assignment. We don't really score the introductory letter. I mean, we're not concerned about a rubric or anything like that. It's just a pass-fail sort of score. Absolutely read what they wrote and then try to personalize your comments. We want them to know that they are seen from the very first thing that they submit, and this is the first thing they submit. So, like for example, the student talked about getting her GED, and so in my very first paragraph I tried to personalize my comments to her. The rest of what I've got here is pretty much what I tell everyone. But in that first paragraph, I try to personalize it for her. So I've said she passed, I've provided some commentary, and the other thing that I want us to do is immediately after providing feedback for the first time, email the student, and you can do it very easily from this page by clicking on the email, and do a welcome email that includes just a reminder. And I have something saved that I basically provide everyone, so I just copy and paste that, and then of course personalize the email to Michelle. So I want us to do this every time with every new student so that we are really introducing ourselves on the front end and building a relationship with each student the minute they get started in the class. So I hope that helps a little bit, and that's one of the things that we're going to do.